where we bring you the latest updates from the Class of One Global Online School. Today, we take you on an exciting journey across multiple cities where TCO1 Connect Hubs brought students, parents, and educators together for unforgettable experiences. So, come on, let's dive into the highlights. On February 1st, 2025, TCO1 Connect Hub Delhi organized an educational visit to the Museum of Illusions, New Delhi. It was a day of wonder and discovery as students and parents were mesmerized by the mind bending exhibits and interactive optical illusions. Now, this visit sparked curiosity and critical thinking while offering hands learning experience. Parents and students actively engaged, making it a fun filled, shared educational experience. Now, this visit was a part of TCO1's Town Hall Meets initiative, aimed at fostering experiential learning and strengthening school community connections. Meanwhile, on the same day in Bangalore, the TCO1 Connect Hub hosted a day of fun and learning at Eye Illusion and Arcade Games. The day was packed with impressive 3D illusions and thrilling arcade fun, filling the atmosphere with laughter and excitement. Students, parents, and the teachers bonded over interactive games and activities, fostering deeper connections and creating cherished memories. The meet also provided valuable insights into students' interest, strengthening TCO1's learning community. Kolkata joined the TCO1 Connect Hub celebration on February 8th, 2025, with a fascinating educational visit to the Science City. From exploring the wonders of the space in the full dome 3D theater to experiencing the thrilling evolution of Life Dark Ride, the day was filled with hands on learning adventures. Interactive exhibits like the Digital Panorama, Science Exploration Hall, and Butterfly Nursery sparked curiosity and excitement among young learners. These meetups are designed to encourage the experiential learning and strengthening the bond between students, parents, and educators beyond the virtual classroom. And that's not all. On February 17th, 2025, TCO1 celebrated International Mother Language Day with great enthusiasm. The event highlighted the beauty of linguistic diversity and cultural heritage. Students learned about the origins and significance of this day, commemorating the 1952 movement in Bangladesh that upheld the right to speak one's mother tongue. They enthusiastically greeted each other in various languages and took on exciting tongue twister challenges, celebrating the uniqueness of every language with joy and laughter. These events are a testament to TCO1's commitment to experiential learning, cultural appreciation, and community building. We extend a heartfelt gratitude to all the students, parents, and educators who made these experiences memorable. Stay tuned for more exciting events and adventures from the Class of One Global Online School. That's all for the February month update. Thank you all for joining the TCO1 news. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring.